persons that were recruited and also appointed or employed the 7th of December. Sanko Polina, that is the leadership of these agencies to take steps in terminating the appointment. I am 1 year because I was thinking that there should have been a precedent. So when I say a precedent, where a president of the Republic of Ghana will give a directive to terminate appointment of certain persons believed to have been appointed after 7th of December. Now the point is that processes the appointee will be and as the employee will be it is a process that has been laid down by the Constitution of Ghana and the Public Service Commission. And the two things. The difference is that one, you bet to me after Obiejuma, Mayor Manokrata, even on the 9th of December, on the 6th of January, Aka Edaba Koma Bani, a free summer for Fraba. A very legal because say processes are a non-public commission, so another constitution, you know, say agency ne pass on some processes, no, about do some pension one. Then as per Article 195 of the 1992 Constitution, such an appointment is valid. However, say Obi make appointment on the 9th of December and the 6th of January. And that's what go through the proper procedures and as a due processor. And not there. What Naroma, I find be a chumwa and I say agency be chumwa. And not there, the part because it will have to go through the proper procedure. We can catch us. Now, then, National Service 2017, a council and Kofobi appointment. It's totally different because at that time I was the NASFA president in 2013, 2014, 2015. And in fact, I issued a statement on that same embarrassing appointment in CO 2016. Because all those district directors that were appointed at the time did not go through the proper procedure. They did not follow the laid down procedure. The Public Service Commission did not know them. And it was not a general directive said the way I say president is saying. No. That time it was National Service Scheme that disappointed certain persons and letters district directors without going through the proper procedure. So people who were given appointments at GRE, people who were given appointments at Senate, all those persons because it went through the proper procedure. And the substance of Senate appointed about 400 people, gave them letters somewhere early January, few days on refusal. But we did not touch it because it had gone through the proper procedure. So people should understand that distinction. The distinction is that Article 191 of the 1992 Constitution, you cannot terminate the appointment of anybody without a just cause. There should be a just cause before you can terminate the appointment of certain persons who have been appointed or recruited under the laws of this country. And we have issued a statement that any prospective person that is going to be affected by this barbaric and illegal disappointment or termination of appointment, something that has never happened in the history of this country, where you have the President of the Republic knowing very well that the presidency is a continuum. The office of the president is not individualistic. The office of the president is an office. And it's an office. And I said, one president, it is difficult for someone to come and say, no, it doesn't work like that. And people should be able to understand that basis. And so, for the President of the Republic to direct the Chief of, we are terminating appointment of all persons. No? It is barbaric, it is illegal, it is a sad day in the democratic dispensation of Ghana. It has never happened before. Let no one deceive you that it happened in 2017. No, President Akufo-Addo never did that. No president has ever directed anybody to do anything. Even in the case of Osafo Manfo, when Osafo Manfo it did not happen. Where it happened were those that did not follow proper procedure, like the National Service one. So let no one deceive you that it has happened before, and so why are we now crying wolf? No. So if you are going to be affected as a citizen of this country, if you're a young person that was appointed, and you know that proper procedures will follow, you went through interviews after a proper advertisement was made, please, I provided a number and an email address. Please establish contact with me, and I am going to lead a suit at Ghana's court to make sure that we protect the rights of these people under the Constitution, specifically Article 14 of the 1993 Constitution. No one will be allowed to be disappointed, or no one will be allowed to have his or her appointment be terminated on the altar of political gimmicks. People who have gone through the proper procedures as a Ghanaian, first and foremost, will be protected under the law. A future NPP government, I promise, even if we fail, a future NPP government is going to make sure that we will be affected by this barbaric statement. And so, be assured, if you're a young person, don't lose hope. Be assured that we are going to lead this in court for you. We are going to make sure we will represent you in court to protect your right under the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana, unless, of course, the appointment or the recruitment did not follow the right procedure in making sure you get the appointment.